you get paid $18 for every 3 clicks. Using the platform that I will mention on this video, what I did was after I signed up myself on this platform, I was able to make $180 in one day. In one day, it started with $18 every link I had posted, and then one day I managed to make more than $100. Amazing, right? But before I tell you about this platform, I want to welcome you to Money Heist, where I show you ways of earning money online. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and along with the bell icon to be notified for new videos like this in the future. Now let me tell you something. With my method and the platform that I will show you on this video, you can make $18 by a few clicks. Yes, it worked like a charm for me, and it will work like a charm for you. I mean, isn't it amazing to see your PayPal account credited with $100 in no time? Sometimes we are in dire need of cash. This here makes us around $180 in a day just by following simple steps that I will mention on this video. All you have to do is watch my video and listen to what I did to make money and, well, make easy money. My secret to earning quick and easy money online. You can use your smartphone, tablet, or even your computer. Make sure you already have a YouTube account. If you don't, you can easily head to YouTube and create a Google account for yourself. Add in your name and type in your email address that you prefer to have. Make a good password and click next. Once you have created your Google account, you can head over to YouTube and you will see popular videos on your main screen. We won't use those, instead we will search for videos which I will explain in this video. You will need to search for videos related to health and exercise. I searched for something like how to be attractive. I mean, let's spice it up, and click the search icon. It showed me tons and tons of videos with so many views, showing people and their interest on this topic. I mean, since it's sort of a common problem, isn't it? Don't worry, you won't be selling anything, nor will you need to create any videos. Just scroll over to the videos you like and open it. Once you're on the video, just click share and copy the link from there. Then head over to the platform link mentioned below in the description. I always advise people to go ahead and go over to the video and check it out. See what the platform is all about. I mean, check out the link as well. Don't you worry, it's not a scam. Anyone from anywhere around the world can earn from this method. You get paid from this website whenever someone clicks on the link you get from this platform. After you have checked the website out completely and checked your video out as well, go head up and sign up to the platform with your details, and remember, a good password as well. The reason you're being paid is because when they click on that link, the user, they're first sent to a landing page for an ad. In short, they will be shown some ads. They can skip these ads and head over to the video link. This platform is basically splitting the ad revenue with you. So you make money and they make money and everyone goes home happy with money. Let me be very honest with you, this is not a scam. I have used this platform to make money. You can go there, look into the platform. I mean, once you've clicked the link, just go ahead and look into the platform and check it out what this is. I always advise people to do that because you learn more. Whenever I do my research, I always go to the platform and see what the platform is all about. So generally I use my PayPal account. I think this pays you using your PayPal, so make sure you have your PayPal account. So need not to worry, just go ahead and trust me, I can vouch for this platform because I've made money using this platform. Right, so now you have registered an account here on this platform. You have to use the video links and click shorten link. Now these shorten links can be pasted over to such as Reddit or different forums where you feel that this is useful, or even on Quora. There are many popular forums available online. You can search it out on Google. What I do is I always search for the best possible forum with many users available. For instance, for mobile related news or videos, I go for XDA. Anyways, I use these YouTube videos of looking attractive and pasted them to forums I searched online. And the best part is I was helping different people along with earning money as well, since they are clicking the link. I would suggest is find a forum according to your link and use it to your advantage by shortening its link and earning when someone clicks it. I know you want to know how you will earn money with this. Well, I've already told you before in this video. You see how this works is the platform generally shows ads to the person that clicks on your link, and they can skip it. Literally just press skip on the top right corner where it usually is. So what this platform does is they split the ad revenue with you. So in summary, all you have to do is go onto the link I've mentioned on the description below and head over to the platform. Once you have signed up to this platform using your email address and added your correct details along with a good password, grab the YouTube link, the video link that we have discussed in this video, shorten its link using this platform, use that link onto a forum where you can generate clicks on your link, and voila, make money. This is available globally, meaning anyone from anywhere can work here. You can use this on your smartphone as well, such as your Android or your Apple iOS, if you want to work using your smartphone. I hope you liked the video. Just make sure to give us a like and a comment below as well. I want you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of videos such as this in the future. This is